Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today I'm going to show you how to create a VPN on Android to keep your internet connection private and secure. This video covers both the manual setup and the easier app method for your convenience. So now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open your Settings app by tapping the gear icon on your home screen or pulling down the notification shade. This is the main hub where you can customize your device and manage your networking preferences. Step 2. Tap on the search bar located at the top of the settings menu to quickly find specific features without scrolling. Using the search function is the fastest way to navigate through the deep menus found on modern Android devices. Step 3. Type in VPN using your on-screen keyboard to filter the settings and find the hidden virtual private network options. This keyword search helps bypass different manufacturer layouts, making the process much easier for everyone. Step 4. Click on VPN from the search results to enter the dedicated connection management screen. This area is important because it allows you to see all your active and saved network tunnels in one place. Step 5. Click on the 3 dots on the top right corner or click plus icon to begin the process of entering a new connection. This button is the entry point for adding external network credentials that are not already listed on your phone. Step 6. Click Add VPN Profile and enter the server details, name, and type provided by your network administrator or service provider. Once saved, this creates a permanent manual link that you can toggle on whenever you need a secure connection. Method 2. Step 1. Open your Play Store from your app drawer to access millions of different applications available for your Android phone. The store is the official and safest place to find software that can automate complex tasks like network security. Step 2. Click on the search bar at the top of the screen so you can look for a specific utility to help with your connection. This bar allows you to browse through various tools based on user ratings and specific functionality. Step 3. Type in VPN to bring up a wide variety of third-party service providers that offer one-tap security solutions. This will show you a list of both free and premium options that handle the complicated configuration for you automatically. Step 4. Download a VPN app that has good reviews and fits your needs by tapping the install button. This application will act as the controller for your secure tunnel, saving you from having to enter manual server codes. Step 5. Open the app once the installation is complete by clicking the icon on your home screen or directly from the store. You may need to accept the terms of service to allow the app to manage your phone's network traffic. Step 6. Click Tap to Connect, which is usually a large button in the center of the app, to immediately secure your browsing. This is the easiest way to finish the setup as the app does all the heavy lifting to find the best server for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.